If you've ever opened Photopea and wondered how to move your camera or move around your canvas, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you the easiest ways to pan, rotate, and zoom your view in Photopea so you can work faster and more comfortably. This is especially useful when you're zoomed in close and need to navigate around a large design, edit details more precisely, or just get a better angle while working. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Photopea tutorials and simple software guides. Let's jump in. First, let's talk about moving across the canvas, which is also called panning. This does not move your image or your layers, it only moves your view so you can look at different parts of your design. The fastest way to do this in Photopea is by using the Spacebar shortcut. Just press and hold the spacebar on your keyboard, then click and drag anywhere on the canvas. You'll see the view move with your mouse, and when you release the spacebar, Photopea goes right back to your active tool. This is the method most people use because it's quick and works while you're already editing. If you prefer using the toolbar, you can click the hand tool on the left side. The hand tool is usually shown as an open hand icon, and its shortcut is H. Once you select it, you can drag the canvas around manually. This is a good option if you want to stay in the navigation tool for a moment and move around without using the keyboard shortcut. You can also use your mouse wheel or trackpad to move around the canvas vertically. Scrolling up and down will pan your view, which is helpful when you're working on long documents or tall images. If you hold Ctrl on Windows or CMD on Mac while scrolling, you can pan horizontally instead. That gives you even more control when you need to move side to side across your workspace. Now let's move on to rotating the view angle. Sometimes you're not trying to move the canvas position at all. You just want to tilt the workspace so it feels more natural while drawing, retouching, or aligning elements. In Photopea, this is called the Rotate View tool. To use it, click and hold the hand tool icon in the toolbar, then choose the Rotate View tool. Its shortcut is R. Once it's active, click and drag on the canvas to rotate the entire screen angle freely. This is great when you want to work at a different angle without actually changing your image. It only affects how you see the canvas, not the layers themselves. If you ever rotate too far or just want to return to the normal view, look for the reset option in the top bar and click it. That will bring your canvas back to the standard upright position instantly. Next, let's go over zooming in and out. Zoom is one of the most important parts of moving around in Photopea because it helps you focus on details or step back and see the full design. The easiest zoom method is using your mouse wheel or trackpad. Hold Alt on Windows or Option on Mac, then scroll up or down to zoom in and out. This gives you fast control over how close or far you are from the canvas. You can also use keyboard shortcuts. Press Ctrl and plus to zoom in, or Ctrl and minus to zoom out on Windows. On Mac, use CMD and plus or CMD and minus. These shortcuts are simple and very useful if you want precise zoom control while editing. Another handy method is the quick zoom tool. Hold Ctrl and spacebar on Windows or CMD and spacebar on Mac, then click and drag left or right. This gives you a smooth zooming motion and is especially useful when you want to quickly adjust your view without stopping your workflow. One important thing to remember is that if you want to move an actual object, image, or layer inside the canvas, you should not use the hand tool. Instead, press V on your keyboard to switch to the move tool. That tool moves the contents of your design, while the hand tool and zoom controls only move your view of the canvas. So, to quickly recap, use spacebar and drag to pan, use the hand tool if you want to navigate manually, use rotate view to tilt the canvas, and use the zoom shortcuts to get closer or farther away. Once you get used to these controls, moving around in Photopea becomes much easier and much faster. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy Photopea tips, editing shortcuts, and beginner-friendly design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.